Yeah, hello everyone. Today I'm going to upgrade my HDD to SSD drive in Lenovo laptop T430s, and I'm going to use this SSD drive, and it's hypertech, and the SSD 2S120 FSL, and that's the 120 GB hard drive. So let's start. So that's my laptop, it's T430s. So on this laptop, the hard drive is here on this side on the corner. So remove the screw. Take off this strip. Pull it out. Should be come out nicely. Remove this, and we need to remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. They both have a same interface. So put all the screws back. That's it. Put these 2 rubber bags. Put the cover back. Now we can check in our setup. For setup, press the F1. Here we need to go in startup, then boot. Here That's our SSD hard drive, Hypertech SSD. Exit. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.